Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make pin rockets using zinc sulfide as its rocket fuel. I have here a Bic velocity pin. Remove the bottom portion of the pin, and inside remove the ink cartridge of the pen. Now, with a pair of pliers, or maybe your hand, you can also take off the top of the pen by unscrewing it, but you don't have to do that. But you do have to plug with clay the end portion of the pen, and if you would desire to, you can put some glue on the inside portion of the top of the pen to seal it, so that the fuel won't come out the other end instead of the end it's supposed to. Now, take some duct tape. This is just regular duct tape, which is fine, but I've used black Gorilla tape for mine, and wrap it a couple or 3 times around the bottom of the pin where the action of launch is going to take place. You don't want the plastic of the pin to start melting during launch. After you have the duct tape glued into place, take some cardboard and just cut out 4 equal sized cardboard fins. This is just from a cereal box. That's all you need. And glue those fins equally around the bottom portion of the pin. Take a straw, use this for your launch lug, and glue it as well onto the pin. Let's put in some zinc sulfide powder. Zinc sulfide is a 3-to-1 mixture of zinc and sulfur. Very flammable. You don't need a lot. That should be probably good enough for a test flight. And take a chunk of clay and mold it and put into the bottom of the pin. Now what this will do is it will keep the fuel, which is powder of course, from falling out before launch. Take any excess off. You can do that with your fingers by rubbing around the corners. Then take a ink cartridge that you removed and poke a hole into the clay. This will be for the fuse to go into to launch your rocket. Once you're done, your rocket will look like this. So let's take some fuse. Usually about a foot or maybe a little longer will be enough. cut that to size. Take a small piece of clay to plug the fuse into the bottom of the rocket. You don't want the fuse to blow out right before it launches. You don't need a lot, just a little bit to hold the fuse into place. Like that. Let's try out our pin rocket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.